Man, the lighting is terrible right now, but oh well. We're gonna make it work. All right, y'all. Happy New Year. Let's get this year started right. Let's go. All right. It's already been a very interesting day. So, just wrapped up a Zoom call with an artist that was looking for some advice. That was it was actually pretty good. So, it kind of got me thinking about this video and what this video is going to be about, and some of the things I wanted to talk to you guys about. So, first and foremost, Happy New Year, guys. We're here. We're back. And guess what? I'm back in the office. I'm back in the studio. It feels great. It feels great to be back in the studio. Everything just feels perfect. So, yeah, back in the studio. Loving it. Thanks everybody for the well wishes. Thanks everybody that watched the perfect comic book cover and commented and shared it. And please, if you haven't seen that video, go watch it and go share that video. Also, thanks for everybody that watched the last video where I talked about the top 5 videos of the year. That was really dope. Thanks to everybody that's commenting and sharing and helping grow the channel. We've already grown to over 1,300 subscribers, and that's amazing because really that was representative of really just a year going hard. And that's kind of what I wanted to talk about. That talk that I had with that artist and what I plan for this year moving forward. So this year, well, is hopefully going to be way better than the previous year, or a few days ago actually. Last year really taught me a lot about myself and just kind of where I am in life and what I want to do moving forward with not only my art, but my art business, as it were. So if you noticed, kind of starting in the fall, I started to make a really hard pivot into the realm of publishing. Now, which is weird because you would think that with digital just being what it is, that nobody would publish stuff, but there's a lot of different niches, a lot of different areas where it's still very profitable. And actually, it makes sense for artists to go into those areas, especially if you're looking to kind of build and grow into the future. We started season 7 with the how to create a coloring book series that I started that got derailed because I got COVID. Yeah, but we're back. And we are going to go back to that series, but I'm gonna do it a little bit differently. It's not going to be just a hey, 1, 2, 3, you do this, and then voila, coloring book. But it's actually going to go through the ups and downs, the trials and tribulations of becoming a publisher and what does that mean. So it's going to be more vlog style than me sitting down talking head style doing things, which I think is going to be an interesting way to tell it. Sort of in a documentary style. And I think that's really going to be something that you guys are going to enjoy. And we're going to kind of get into the nitty gritty. We're going to get into, hey, I got sales numbers I got to hit. I got marketing I got to do. I got everything I got to do. Plus, just like you saw in the opener, got drawings that have to be made because we are doing everything from an original art basis in a sense. Some will be derived from, inspired by older works of art, but for the most part, the art is just completely 100% original. Which brings us to how we're going to start this video off today. We're going to kind of keep everything in the realm of coloring books, which is going to be fun, of course. And something came across my radar a few months ago, a while ago, that I thought was really interesting. Crayola announced this World of Color crayon. I just thought the idea behind them was super duper dope. You know, your boy had to order a pack, and I've been holding on to this for a minute, so let's do a quick unboxing, check them out, and let's see how they work. Not much to unbox, it's just in them. Amazon Prime package, of course. Okay, these came up super wrapped up tight. But let's check, let's see what we got here. How do I open these? Let's see. We're gonna wrap these up tight. There we go. Cool. All right, guys, so here they are, the Crayola World of Colors crayons. So basically this is for kids to use for skin tones. This is for kids to use for skin tones of all kinds of variations. So we have, you know, all the way from very dark skin tones, you know, similar to mine. In fact, if you look, I don't know if you could tell. So if you look, like my skin tone pretty much matches up with the top two, which is really cool because when I was a kid, I never had crayons that really came this close to my skin tone before. So that's really dope. That's really dope. Basically, kids can now cover every skin tone. I can imagine any African American, anybody can come in. So this is a big win for Crayola, and I'm happy that they did this. It would seem only right and slightly self-serving if I didn't try these out on my coloring book, because all the characters are black. Let's just try this out and see what happens. Alright guys, so that was pretty fun. I didn't finish the whole picture because of course that would have just took forever. I had so many color choices because I went and grabbed my old box of Crayolas just so I could kind of fill out her hair and everything like that. But let's talk about these crayons. The Crayola Colors of the World crayons. And I have to say, these are some pretty dope crayons. I really like how they work on the paper. They work just like, well, they're Crayola, so you already know you're getting the top quality crayon. And is this something that I would use all the time? Of course not. Colored pencils, watercolors. I have too many other choices, markers. So, but when you just want to kind of flash back to when you were a kid or have a little fun, yeah, these are cool. And for kids, these are perfect. So I would definitely highly recommend everybody getting these, the Colors of the World, especially if you have kids or if it's just something you want to do to pass the time. It's Crayola, so they're not the biggest in your hand, especially if you're an adult. But for kids, they'll be perfectly fine. Plus, strong, sturdy, they don't break. All the great things that you like about Crayola. So smooth, not too waxy. Pretty much one of the best crayons out. Well, and they've been the best crayons for years. So What do you expect? All right, fam, so that's the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really had fun messing with the Crayola Colors of the World crayons, and of course coloring in my coloring book, The Art of Foresight Studio, which was fun. It was relaxing. It might be slightly narcissistic, I'm not sure, but it's for a good cause. So if you guys like the crayons, if you like the coloring book, links are in the description below, and please hit those links because they are affiliate links, and a small portion of that comes to me to help out the channel. It doesn't cost you anything extra, so you still would be paying the same prices you would regardless. I just get a little kickback from Amazon. So please help your boy, support your boy. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and share this all over the world, the universe, everywhere. I guess the universe would be everywhere, but we're not going to be too specific. We're going to have fun. We're having fun. If you guys are new here, just want to say, what's up? Hopefully you like these videos and you like what we're doing, and if so, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel, and join our growing community. Guys, if you want to get a hold of me, you can always reach me at Twitter and Instagram at DKG72. Of course, I have a Facebook fan page and a TikTok, that's David Gordon72. I also have a Patreon, so if you want to support through Patreon, just slide on over there, and it's Patreon/DKG72 Comics, and I would greatly appreciate it. Just pick one of the 4 tiers. And guys, we will be back with another video. Remember, I'm going to 2 videos a week starting next week, and it will be every Monday and Thursday. All right, I got work to do. I gotta get back to work on this coloring book. I got so much content I want to give you guys, so much game I want to give you guys. So stay tuned, and Happy New Year one more time. Let's go. All right, peace.